Hey, happy viewers, welcome to Happy Home Garden. In today's video, we're going to plant a couple of cottage classics. The first one is a Nemesia plums and custard. It's a herbaceous perennial. The second one is a crazy daisy or Argyranthemum, which is also a perennial. I'm so excited for this one because I liked funny looking foliage and a contrast, but not soft contrast, I'd say, contrasting pink flowers with a yellow disc. But before we go into planting of these plants, let's take a look at this winter hayrack. So I planted a few violas and Alyssums a couple of weeks back, and this is how it looked after a few days of planting. And now it looks like this. So I'm so surprised the way they have filled in a very short period, and given that it's winter and not much of sun, they're doing absolutely well. And as I go near, I cannot, no one can ignore the sweet, sweet smell of the Alyssums and the violas. All right, let's move to our first flower bed. So this is the first one where I'm going to plant my Nemesia. It's quite a colorful flower bed with azaleas and bacobas always having some flowers on it. Aren't those piggyback gorgeous? So this is where my Nemesia would be going. The next flower bed is a narrow flower bed, which is right next to a newly laid lawn, which is still dry as you can see. So let's tackle this flower bed with a couple of daisies. This position receives full sun throughout the day with a bit of afternoon shade, which is something the daisies would really love. And before planting, I've added a bit of garden soil mixed with slow release fertilizer. And then I'll be covering this up with the black mulch, which I have used throughout a garden for all the flower beds. These daisies do not grow as high or wide as the traditional daisies. These are particularly developed for pots and containers in the patio, and they try to be under a meter high and wide, which is perfect for this position. I'm also okay if they go and interlock with each other, which is how a cottage garden should look like, in my opinion. So, giving it a good mulch. So this is where I had decided to put my daisies earlier, but then my husband found this awkward corner. So we decided to open this flower bed up and plant the daisies just next to the stone pathway. I hope this would have given you some idea to tackle a few empty spots in your own space. Let's learn, support, and inspire through our gardens.